welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for watching. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this flawless foundation base and the rest of the look as well, but focusing mostly on the skin. I'm going to show you what products I used and how I used them to achieve this skin. So if you do fancy finding out how I did this look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thanks guys! So I actually got a gift voucher from MAC for my birthday, so I thought I'd just really quickly show you guys what I got. So it arrived today. I got a free gift actually with a few things in it. What have we got? A free full-size lipstick plus 2 best-selling skincare samples. So I've got the MAC Strobe Cream, which I've used before, which is Lush. Then the MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance, which I haven't used. This gives a dewy glow, so not really my cup of tea, so we'll see. And then a red lipstick in the colour Chili. So yeah, so you get a little bag with it as well, so rather cute. So I'll just open that up. So to get a full-size lipstick is quite good, but it makes me wonder why is this colour not a popular colour that they're giving it away for free. Yeah, so it looks like that. So it just looks like a nice like London Postbox red. So that's probably quite nice because I do quite like a red lippy, so that's a bonus. So next, what have we got next? So onto my actual order. I ordered liner, lippy, gloss and a concealer. There's only 3 things. You're actually joking. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. They've sent me the lipstick in Honey Love, the liner, and the highlighting pen, which is great, but not the lip gloss. And do you know what? See, the last time I ordered from MAC, they actually sent me the wrong lip gloss and they told me I had to send it back. So I didn't bother. So now I've reordered a couple months later and they've not even sent me the gloss. Well, that's put me in a bad step for this video, hasn't it? Oh, it was the gloss that I wanted as well the most, but I'll show you really quickly anyway. So I got this pan liner. I use this all the time, so it was just a refill. So yeah, it just looks like a wee felt tip pen. So buzzing about that. And then I got this Prep and Prime highlighter, which I haven't had in ages, but I really like this. Yeah, so I kind of use it under my eyes along with a concealer. So I got the shade Light Boost and it's like a yellow based highlighter pen, so I will be using that in today's video. And then lastly, my lipstick, which is Honey Love. I've not used this one before, so I am rather excited if I can get it out. Yeah, so there we go. It's just a nice wee nude. And then I bought a gloss, I think it was called Fabulous or something, which was the perfect combo for this, but it hasn't arrived. So watch this space and we'll see if it gets rectified. But to be honest, all my experience with MAC customer service hasn't been that great, so we will soon see. So I've just pulled you guys a bit closer to start the actual makeup look. So the first item I'm going to be using is this MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere. Yeah, I use this all the time. I've gone through, this is probably my 4th or 5th one of these. So I just take 2 pumps of this on my fingers and then I pop it in all over my face. And then my neck, of course. So the next product I'm going to be using whilst that sets on my face and dries is the P. Louise eyeshadow base, just to cover my veiny eyes. I am just using this on like a flat Morphe brush, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop a little squirt of that onto my brush and then apply all over the eye. I like to take this along the top as well, just to give them a good carve out. And I've just got them done, the brows, last week, so they're looking, if I do say so myself, pretty good. So I'm just going to do the same with the other eye. And with the remains on my brush, I just pop that over any spots. It's not a concealer, but this is what I do. And then I drag any other remains right under my eye. Okay, now we look like this. Okay, so whilst, what was a way to say it? Next step is I'm just going to apply my foundation. So my favourite foundation at the minute is the Too Faced Born This Way. Doesn't actually, what's it called? Medium to full coverage foundation. My shade is in the shade light beige. Yeah, I'm loving this foundation, to be honest. It just really works well with my skin and stays put for hours. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my face. And I'm going to buff that in with another Morphe brush. This one has been used and abused, so the what brush it is has rubbed off. But yeah, just like a kind of stiff foundation brush. So that is the first layer. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more around this area because I feel like I need a little bit more coverage there. Okay, so now it is at my desired coverage. I'm just going to take a beauty blender and dabble that in. Perfect. So next step I'm going to do is conceal under my massive bags. So I'm going to use two different products for this. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm using the shade Custard, and then the MAC Prep and Prime in Light Boost that I got earlier today. This is a refill. Can't get it out again. This is a refill. I've used this so much. So yes, I'm just going to pop the NARS on first and then layer with the MAC. Twist because it's brand new. Oh, that actually came out mega quick. So I'm just going to pop that on top. Oh god, I've missed this. To brighten. Definitely put too much on that side, but hey, it's happened. We will deal with it. I made such a mess with that. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with that Beauty Blender sponge and dab. Escaping us in the back there. Okay, so now that it's all nice and blended, we're going to quickly grab our powder and set. I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics translucent powder, and I'm actually using another Morphe brush, but it broke, but it's a good brush, so I'm just using the ends. So quick set. Looking pretty good if you ask me. So next we're going to cream contour. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick. This is NW50. places I would contour. I have been contouring a little bit higher than my actual cheekbones recently, because I've seen it in a video from Jamie Genevieve, I think, just to give you a bit more of a snatched look, you know. I am just going to be buffing that out with a Real Techniques foundation buffing brush, expert face brush even. Okay. I like bringing the contour like from my eye, just so it all flows a bit more seamlessly. Got hair on my eye, on my face. Just like that, I've lost 10 pounds. I wish. So I'm just gonna sharpen that up using just whatever was left on that brush that I used with the powder. Sharpen that up a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, some powder bronzers. So I'm gonna be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and the MAC Mineralized Skin in Give Me Sun. So I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer first, and I'm actually going to use the brush that it comes with because I actually really like it. I think it fits perfectly into your face. So I'm just going to deepen that up a little bit. Okay, and next go in with the bronzer because we all love a bit of bronzer. Who doesn't love bronzer? I love bronzer. So that's pretty much the face. Looking nice and healthy, if you ask me. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows and pop a bit of liner on, and then other than lashes and lips, that's pretty much the finished look. That's what we're working with today. So for my brows, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line Pot in Dip Down. This is actually a eyeliner, but it works for my brows. Once the brows are on, I always think you look so much better. And next I'm just going to use that MAC liner. This is an old one, not the new one. Just give it a wee bit of a wing. Oh, bugger. I've just realised. So you're not actually, you're not supposed to need to set the P. Louise base, but my eyes are very oily, so I do, as you can see from that little line that I've let occur. Perfect. I just set that with whatever is left on that brush that I used for my powder too. Okay, 2 wings. 2 uneven wings. I like this wing better than this wing, but this is what we're working with. Now I'm just going to go ahead and give my face a quick spray with the NYX matte finishing spray. I'm going to do my lips and pop on some lashes, and that'll be the finished look. So for lips, I'm going to use this Peaches and Cream liner in the colour Praline. I am going to use my new lipstick, Honey Love, which would be so much better with my brand new lip gloss that hasn't came. So yeah, that's great. But yes, we'll work with what we've got just now. Okay, I really like that. That's good. And to finish that off, I'm gonna just top it with a little bit of the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the colour Fortune Cookie. Just a little bit in the centre. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop off camera and do my lashes, and then I will be back. Hey guys, so I am back and here is the finished look. I just went ahead and popped on some lashes, and then I swiped some of the MAC bronzer under the bottoms of my eyes. And yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, also, from me putting the lash glue on my lashes, I sent MAC a little message on WhatsApp because they have a WhatsApp service saying that I had items missing, and by the time I stuck on my lashes, the girl Catherine had texted me back and she's now sent the gloss out to my address, and it should be here within the next 2 to 3 working days. So gold star to MAC for that service because I'm thoroughly impressed with that. I would have loved to have the gloss for this weekend, but at least they've rectified it really easily. So yeah, so this is the finished look. So if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. That would be amazing. Thanks very much, and we'll speak to you in the next one.